Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Gov UK One Login to verify identity. All right, let's begin. First, download two apps, the One Login app and the Gov UK ID Check app. Open the Gov UK ID Check app and tap Continue. Then tap Continue again and select Link App to continue. Next, choose how you started the process. If you began on your phone, select that option. Then open your web browser where the gov.ukid check page is displayed, scroll down and tap link.gov. UKID check to connect the app. If you started on a computer or tablet, a QR code will appear. Scan this code using your phone to link the app and begin the verification process. Once linked, return to the ID Check app and select One Login. Tap Sign in with your account, then enter your Gov UK One Login details. After signing in, the identity verification process will begin automatically. So that's basically how you can use Gov UK One Login to verify identity. That's it for this video. Thanks.